CPI Security has been dedicated to protecting our customers' businesses, homes, and families.
We are CPI.
Call or visit mycpi.com.
Guess what time it is?
What time is it?
It's time for Cheryl's Book Club. Let's check back in with an author we met last week. This is super cool. Renate Moore is back on QC at 3. You first met her last week, and she showed us how to make Keith's grilled salmon and that Mango Tango Salsa. Totally delicious. Well, Renate is here today with the book club, and we're here to talk about her amazing book, Just Eat, Pure and Simple Cooking. Renate, welcome back to QC at 3.
Thanks, Cheryl. Thanks for having me back. A week went by really fast.
Oh, it was super fast, but filled with lots of delicious cooking. And we're joined today by Kathryn, Falinda, and Heather. And I think Kathleen is going to join us a little bit later. Hey, you guys, welcome to QC at 3.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So you have been reading this lovely book by Renate. You've tried out some of the recipes. We'll start with you, Kathryn. What have you tried and what do you love?
Oh, wow. We've actually tried several things. We love the meatloaf. We've always been looking for our good meatloaf recipe, and Renate's is it. Made it several times. We've also tried some of the chicken dishes, the chicken marsala, the curry chicken, and we've made the cabbage stew for St. Patrick's Day. We love them all. My husband is Ed.
And do you both do the cooking?
Yes, we do.
Oh, yes. I enjoy it.
Awesome. Falinda, what about you? You've tried out a few of these recipes. What are you enjoying?
Well, my favorite is her Mango Tango Salsa, and I loved it so much. I kind of just did a little test drive on it, and I went to a grill off, and I ended up coming away with the prize of the grand prize for being the best side. And so I made a ton of it. I was so excited to tell Renate she's got award-winning salsa.
Heather, you've tried out a few recipes too. Tell me about your favorite.
I have tried, well, I've done the Mango Tango Salsa as well, but I've had dog-eared to do the salmon, so I haven't tried the salmon yet, but I love that you made that last week. And so I've made the cha-cha chili and your mom's cornbread.
And Heather, you mentioned that cha-cha chili. I love the story, Renate, before the cha-cha chili, when you talked about your allergy to beef and how you substituted it with chicken and made this delicious dish.
Being the person I am, I'm always testing in the kitchen. So I go, I wonder what will happen if I try good chicken. So I did it with the chicken and I thought, oh my gosh, I actually prefer this than the beef. So that's how it came about. And the family just said we prefer the chicken as well.
Kathy Wilson is joining us now. And Kathy, you have read this book. You've tried out some of the recipes. What do you think?
I think it's terrific. I've made some of the recipes and I love the stories.
What were you hoping we would get out of it, Renate?
I'm hoping that I would have inspired you or anyone to get into the kitchen and cook. Cook with just pure, simple ingredients.
I believe what Renate has done for me is to inspire, bring that into the home and stir up that gift of hospitality and share it with others.
We hope you guys at home will pick up this book. Again, we're going to put the link on our website. Join the conversation. We can't wait for you to try out some of these recipes.